Welcome to the Explainer, everyone. We've got a massive update to break down today that is literally shifting the entire landscape of knowledge work. We're talking about the complete evolution of Google's NotebookLM.
What if I told you your boring old PDF reader suddenly learned how to code, build full PowerPoint decks, and instantly generate highly polished vertical shorts for mobile? Sounds completely impossible, right? Like something 10 years out. Well, no way, that is exactly what's happening today.
Look, it used to be that NotebookLM was just a simple PDF summarizer. You upload a document, ask a question, get a text summary. Kind of basic, right? But Google has completely transformed it. So now we're looking at a fully autonomous productivity system. It researches the web, analyzes spreadsheets, writes reports, and even executes code directly from your documents. Instead of just reading for you, it is actively working for you, saving you dozens of hours every single week.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Feature 1. AI video generation.
Here's the fundamental conflict we all face, whether you're a student or a creator. Reading a dense 300-page textbook takes absolute hours. But now you can just upload that massive document, and NotebookLM will automatically transform it into a highly engaging, educational short that's perfectly optimized for mobile viewing.
And the magic number here is 60. In exactly 60 seconds, the AI converts your heavy text into a beautiful vertical video. And it doesn't just slap text on a screen. It actually generates custom animations, builds diagrams to explain tough concepts, highlights key points, adds smooth transitions, and layers in professional voice narration. If you're a student, you're reviewing a whole chapter in 1 minute. If you're a creator, you're turning research into content instantly. Let's see how this builds into Feature 2, Deep Research Agents.
Manually hunting down every single source across the internet used to be exhausting. But look at this new workflow. 1, you just type a topic, like AI in healthcare. 2, the AI actively searches the web for reliable sources. 3, and this is absolutely crucial, it presents those sources for your approval. You choose what makes the cut. So your notebook stays completely grounded in verified facts, totally dodging those random weird AI hallucinations. You've basically got an AI research assistant building your library for you.
Now, what's really interesting about this is Feature 3, Built-in AI Computer.
The AI doesn't just read anymore. It executes actual code. This is a huge paradigm shift. But wait, didn't AI always do math? Well, in the past, it was basically just guessing the next logical word. It wasn't actually calculating anything. So now, NotebookLM includes a secure cloud computing environment. When you ask it to calculate something, it writes and runs real code to give you the exact answer. To put that into perspective for the business folks and analysts out there, you can ask it to process messy spreadsheets and boom, you get beautifully organized data sets. You ask it to calculate revenue growth, you get accurate financial trends. It even verifies calculations to generate completely reliable statistical summaries. Because it's performing actual math, the answers are vastly more reliable for deep data analysis.
And that leads us perfectly into Feature 4, Export Professional Files.
The capabilities here are just staggering. We are way past simple chat responses. You need a presentation for tomorrow? It exports PowerPoint slides. Need a formal write-up? Export a PDF or Word document. Want to take your clean data with you? Pull an Excel file, a CSV, or a JSON dataset. It even exports charts as standalone images. You could literally research a topic for 10 minutes and walk away with a full slide deck ready for your boss.
Let's keep this momentum going with Feature 5, Smarter Studio Redesign.
But it used to be that if the AI gave you a bad output, you basically had to throw it out and start over from scratch. Highly frustrating. So now, you just give it feedback. You type, make this more professional, or add more visuals and focus on business users. The AI takes your specific feedback and just regenerates the output right there in the studio. You never start over, you just refine.
Having this smarter studio interface is literally like having a dedicated AI design team sitting at your desk 24 hours a day, constantly tweaking and perfecting your content until it's exactly what you envisioned.
For the students and lifelong learners tuning in, here is Feature 6, Better Study Tools. This new workflow is an incredible time saver. First, NotebookLM generates quizzes directly from your uploaded sources, which keeps your study material 100% grounded in your actual coursework. Second, it generates flashcards that you seamlessly mark as got it or missed. And third, the system remembers everything. You can step away, come back weeks later, and pick up right where you left off to hammer those weak areas.
Finally, let's look at Feature 7, Expanded File Support.
You can now upload EPUB ebooks.
Think about the sheer power of this for a second. But trying to synthesize massive texts or look for themes across thousands of pages used to be a real headache. So now you upload entire digital books, turn them into a searchable AI knowledge base, and you can literally ask NotebookLM to compare theories across every single chapter simultaneously. It's an absolutely unprecedented way to interact with literature.
So the crucial point here really comes down to this: the future of knowledge work.
The old reality of AI was super passive. You ask a question, you get text back. Kind of boring. But this new reality, it's highly active. NotebookLM discovers information through deep research. It organizes it, analyzes it by executing real code, and presents it by generating videos and professional files. It is automating knowledge work from start to finish.
Just look at this lineup: web research, code execution, data analysis, presentation generation, professional file exports, educational video creation. It's doing all of this within one unified system. This right here is exactly why industry experts are calling this one of Google's most powerful AI products yet.
Because of these agent capabilities, NotebookLM is rapidly becoming the default workspace. Whether you're a student cramming for finals, a researcher synthesizing papers, a business analyst crunching spreadsheets, or a creator making content, this centralized hub is going to save you dozens of hours a week.
We've covered a ton of ground today, from AI-generated shorts to real code execution. So I've got to ask you as we wrap up this explainer, which new NotebookLM feature are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know how you plan to use this in your own workflow. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.